I'm not even doing nothing. This is what it's doing. Button is red. Step on the pedal. It turns green. Still do it. Try to start.